Trick or treat, bitch, I'm here. Which one do you guys like? This is like such like model, and this is kind of like trick or treat. Y'all, I have no idea why this cheetah bodysuit came in handy, but I just love it. Are you guys not digging this fucking vibe right now? We're gonna go ahead and create something cool. Create the half skeleton, half beauty, whatever you guys want. Just grab some makeup, grab some brushes, and let's just play together because, girl, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just literally looking at some black liquid lipstick, some brushes. So continue watching because we're about to go into the half look skeleton. Today, I am super excited to do a black and white skeleton. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it so real with you guys because I love you guys so much. We're gonna go ahead and just go with the flow, play with some makeup. I know y'all been living for the green. I was living for it too. Were you guys not gagged? If you guys have not checked that out, please check out the recent skeleton where I used like the amazing Jeffree Star highlighters. I was obsessed with it. I'm kind of like a little nervous. It's important to get the white foundation on first because you are gonna go on with black and it just probably saves time better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out one of the lightest foundations I have in my outfit. This has really never been used before. Obviously, this is not my color. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. This color is in light 42 neutral. I don't even know how she schemats her foundations, to be honest. I never really understand the neutral, the warm. I don't really get that because I feel like everyone's skin tone is so different because you could be neutral and warm, you could be like a bunch of things. So I just think nowadays there's a lot of foundations out there that I think they just need to kind of really get like an easy schemat that people can really follow up with. I'm kind of like scared. Look how light this is. I'm just gonna take a brush that I don't really care about. Oh my god. Do I do my ears? Oh my god. Okay. I mean, for foundation, this is kind of like really thick. I feel like I've used those Halloween cheapy makeups before where it's like, oh, should I do that kind of a half? Should I do half? Maybe I should do half. Let's just kind of put more. So I'm just gonna cover this side and see how I feel about it. So I'm just taking this, and actually this brush that I don't really care about because the way it looks, I mean, I'm judging a brush by the way it looks. It's actually kind of like working really good. I'm just really getting this as far as back as I can because I'm gonna be putting on a wig. Oh my god, look how crazy I look. In this look, you guys, it's gonna be really helpful to have a makeup wipe in handy, as you guys can see here. But once that's on, now we're gonna make sure the line going down the face is gonna be super straight. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the makeup wipe, and this is where you're really gonna cut it. So just take it like that. Just take the wipe and just really clean up like half. Continue to go down the lip. And you really want like the foundation to be really even. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the beauty blender. So taking this and just really packing it on. Oh my god. See now you guys, once the beauty blender is on, you can really tell it's like even. I just totally fucked up right there, but that's okay. Yeah, I should do eyes first. So on this side, we're gonna let this sit for a little bit. Actually, we should set this first. I think we're gonna set it first because what I wanna do is I wanna start with my beauty eye first. Okay, so guys, let's go back. Let's go ahead and set this side first. Take a translucent. This is very important. You guys do a translucent and just really don't breathe it in. But just really pack it on. I've never did this before. I'm getting so excited. Okay. Once that's on, go ahead and wipe off the extra powder. I do recommend one of my favorite setting sprays ever. This is the Kryolan fixing spray. Now you guys can get this at a costume store. You can get this at like a Nigel's. I'm sure you can probably get this online too. These are very hard to get. I love these so much, and when I do need a refill, it's very hard. I love this shit. This shit's amazing. And just spray it. And it just kind of like stays on. As that's drying, I'm gonna start doing my eyes. All right, guys, change of plans. I was gonna do like a fucking amazing crease and like really let you guys have it, but you guys know I've done creases for a long time, and you guys are like, oh my god, another crease, great. Today we're gonna do something cool. We're gonna do a liner. So that means now I'm gonna have to put foundation on my other side because I'm doing liner. Fuck, I'm all over the place. Hold on. Let's go ahead and apply. I'm using the same brush, so it's the same like texture. And now you guys know that I'm very bald, so I can take my foundation into the hairline. So now, when it gets closer to the line in the center of the face, get a brush that's almost like a flat brush, and this is where you're gonna like carve it. So I'm gonna use something like this. This is the MAC 163, so something like this is cool. Anything that's really dense and flat and like easy to take and drag down, and just really take it. Now, it's not gonna be super perfect when you guys do it, but as long as as it looks half, I mean, I'm not tripping. So just kind of pack it into the skin a little bit. I'm gonna do a good old highlight contour kind of situation and then do the liner. I want this side to look super, super different from this side. Take a concealer and let's go ahead and highlight. So now you guys, same thing on this side. Go ahead and set with the translucent powder. Pulling out Sugar Pill. These are awesome. This is one of my favorite whites. I've always used this white. This is the color in Taco. And just really make sure it is like white. But just kind of briefly just kind of cover the face a little bit like that. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and get this liquid liner on. I'm gonna just pull out a liquid liner that I have. I'm just gonna really sketch out the shape of the face. So let's go ahead and do the eye. The eye, I kind of want to make it kind of scary where like it's just kind of like cracking up. This is just really a sketch, you guys. It's not really the shape of it. Obviously this is all going to be black. When it comes to the skeleton, I kind of like to have like this little flick that kind of goes up. And then the nose, you really want to make it just kind of like a tip like that. In the mouth, I always like to get the nose, the mouth, and the eyes on first to kind of see what it's gonna really look like. And then you can go in and you can just add like the minor little details. So you guys can see the mouth here. And then the chin, I like to kind of do like it's almost like a crack. Okay, cool. Alright guys, so now we have it sketched out. Everything's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Sugar Pill. This is in liquid matte. This is what I'm gonna use to really color in my eye. Alright, before we do that, sorry you guys. Go ahead and get a pencil and let's color in the waterline. Once you color in the waterline, now we're gonna go ahead and take the liquid lip and just start coloring. Any liquid lipstick, it works amazing, girl. Oh my god, this is gonna be like so much fun to take off. See how fast it's like the color? You know, one of my favorite things about Sugar Pill, it has a really pretty smell. The eyes are shaded in. Let's go ahead and do the nose. If you need to get into detail, go ahead and pick up the liquid liner again. But this is just to really fill in. Now, pulling out the liquid liner again, let's go ahead and just really clean up the details. Get a brush this big. Take a black shadow that you love and just really shade in the center of the lips. And then now we're gonna start doing some shading. And I'll just stick with blacks, you guys. I know it's gonna be a little tempting to do some grays, but I really want this one side to be just black and white. So now we're just gonna continue to really shade underneath. The shading just really gonna help break up the black that's supposed to kind of just look almost like faded. Continue to shade. Now I'm gonna contour this part a little bit just so it kind of looks more like a skeleton weird shape. So on this side, let's go ahead and just really contour this in. No, this is just really shaping the face. As you guys can see here, it's coming together. Now, I really want to do the illusion of it's almost like cracking. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, cool. Now, let's go ahead and do the teeth. Teeth is really easy, you guys. Teeth is going to be just lines. Okay. So far, so good. I'm very excited. It's very skeleton. I like it. Alright, you guys. So the fun part. Let's go ahead and get to the other side. The other side, let's go ahead and bronze it up a little bit. Taking a contour brush, let's go ahead and contour this side a little bit. I want to make it gorgeous and pretty. I want to look kind of like, wow, she's a lady, but bam, bam, bam. What's going on? Taking this, let's go and just contour the cheeks very lightly. Because the highlight is what's really going to make the face really pop. Let's go ahead and highlight the face, and then we're gonna do the wing liner. The wing liner is gonna be really fun. Alright guys, so jumping into a little bit of Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty Quad highlight palette. It's really gonna make the cheekbones pop, and then I really want this side to be really just all about liquid liner, red lip. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, you guys, so choose your favorite blush. I'm gonna jump into this cute little trio ColourPop. I rarely use ColourPop. I used to use a lot of ColourPop back in the day, but this blush trio is actually a really good trio. I love it because it has like highlight, contour, and blush. I really love this rosy blush color, and just kind of tap on the cheek just a little bit. It does kind of makes the face more like sweet and innocent and easy to wear. It's not so like in your face. Are you guys ready for the wing liner? Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna make it really big. I'm gonna stretch it out and just really give it like that full on like glam look. So let's go ahead and pull out your favorite liquid liner. I'm gonna stick with the same liner that I've been using for this side of the face. Morphe liquid liner is just absolutely stunning because it goes on super fast. It dries super fast as well, which I love because I hate waiting for liner to literally like dry. It's so annoying. This is gonna be an extra large wing liner. You guys never gonna see this wing liner again, but I'm gonna keep my eyes open. Alright guys, so I usually when I do like big liners, I like to kind of like sketch out, because when you guys sketch it out slowly and kind of create the shape, you guys can always add more. Like, so I like to kind of just really take my time. So you guys can see here, that's kind of like the shape on top. It's not so straight. So I take this part right here and I just wing it out like that. That's so pretty. Okay, now let's go ahead and color in the eye. Ooh, oh my god, I'm gonna start using liquid lipstick for eyes. Okay, so taking the little one, just because the liquid lip won't reach up there, let's go ahead and fill those in. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, as it gets close to the eye, I really don't want you guys to get liquid lipstick in your eye, so go ahead and use what's made for the eye, which is the actual liquid pen. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. So you guys, now that the liner's on, I love it. I think this is so cute. I love how soft, I love how like just elegant this side looks. We're gonna go ahead and smudge underneath as well. We're gonna add some just almost like an auburn color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the Jeffree Star Morphe collaboration. There's this color particular in here that I always use for my crease, and it's called Los Angeles. Just take a little bit like this and just kind of smudge it like that. And then I'd like to take a liquid liner. As close as to the waterline you can get it, the better. I mean, honestly, I do this to all my liners. As I take a small brush and I just kind of like blend it out so it doesn't look so like hard. I think it's gonna be really cute to kind of have a white liner underneath the eye to kind of make it pop. So just go ahead and take a white cream liner and let's go ahead and line it, the waterline. Watch this. You guys can literally see how much it pops. See? Now, when you guys do the cream liner, it can get a little messy, so just take that liquid liner again and just really give it like that sharp cut. Oh my god, you guys, so cute. All right, you guys, so now I think it is time for lashes. Now, because if you guys can see here, there is a lot of white, so go ahead and take any mascara you guys want and just make sure you mascara your lashes and make sure it is like black and just really take care of all that white. I actually really love using liquid lipstick as a liner. It would have took me forever to cover all that. So next, we're gonna go ahead and put some lashes. I'm gonna do some really big lashes for this look. All right, guys, I picked the biggest lashes I have in my office. Put it like that. Okay. Okay, now as that dries. So you guys, I'm thinking about a red lip. I think red is gonna look super hot with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Checkmate by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And it is stunning. I don't even think I've ever used it before. So let's go ahead and really overdraw the lips. Okay, so I started on top. I'm gonna curve it just a little bit. And now what I wanna do is really connect the side into the bottom. I'm digging this side. That's a big ass fucking lip. Oh my god. Now, I just want to add one more thing because I just truly feel this is not going to be complete without Jeffree Star's Cosmetics highlighter. So this is going to be really going to be the icing on the cake. And I'm just really highlighting my bone structure a little bit. Alright, you guys, we are finally done with the look. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and get a wig on. Let's see the final look. I'll be right back. So, what do you guys think? Trick or treat, how you doing? Bitch! I feel like I just like, they're like a Joker or something. Like, I don't know, I'm feeling I'm like giving Joker vibes, Two-Face. Oh, not the villain, Two-Face, right? Oh my god, you guys, I'm honestly just really like, I can't stop staring at this side, but obviously this side is kind of cool too. I mean, honestly, if you guys go back in the beginning, I had no idea what I was doing. At first, I was planning on doing this face all over. I cannot wait until I see you guys recreate this look. This is an easy costume to do if you're just going out to a party, but you're gonna wear it like one time. So why not mix makeup that you already have? I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I literally am so obsessed with Zero from Sugar Pill. Like, this is an awesome fucking lipstick. Like, I love it. And I'm sure you guys have tons and tons of black liquid lipsticks at home that you guys can use to create things. Alright, you guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys every single week on Tuesdays and Fridays at 10 a.m. I do not miss the mark. So in order to see that, you guys gotta hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in a few days. Trick or treat!